Hi, this is Beth Peterson from Vaddio Product Marketing, and I'm here to talk to you about the OneLINK Codec kits that just started shipping in early February. So we started launching our OneLINK Bridge product back in the fall, and recently we developed some software, so now you can control Vaddio cameras with your Cisco or Polycom codec. So in addition to extending your camera's reach 100 meters for installation flexibility, now you can also join soft conferencing calls from your codec room. So there's 1 million Cisco codecs in installation, in use, and now you can bridge those rooms, the Pro AV systems in there, with a Skype meeting, GoToMeeting, WebEx, Zoom, Click Meeting. So people that are remote can now join those codec calls. So we are excited about that, and the Vaddio cameras have a variety of zooms, 12, 20, 30, so you can have some great flexibility in what cameras you're choosing at a great price. If you want to learn more about the OneLINK Codec kits, please go to www.vaddio.com. Thanks.